Okay, it's time to visit the parrot house here. Make sure we close the door behind us. Don't want anybody escaping. Hi, Chicky. Hi, Chicky. Say hello, kiss everybody. Kisses. No biting. No biting. Kisses. This is Chicky. This is our gold blue Amazon macaw. And up there is Leroy. Mate to the blue Amazon macaw. And down here we got somebody bathing. This looks like Buddy. Is that Buddy? No, that's not Buddy. Somebody's missing. Oh, there you are, Buddy. Hi, Buddy. Ow, ow. Sorry, Buddy. Ow. Hi, Buddy. This is Buddy. And over there was Polly. Hi, guys. Then we got Gorgeous. Then we got Laura here. Hi. Hi, everybody. Hi. And over here we got little Blue. Little Blue, Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Chicky's jealous. Yeah, you're jealous. You want to feed me. Yeah. Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Scratchy, Scratchy. Don't bite Papa. Ow. Don't bite Papa. Scratchy, Scratchy Blue. Hi, Polly. Hi, Gorgeous.
Hi.
Gorgeous has a broken toenail here. Hey, Chicky, quit biting my ear. This is Laura. Hello. 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Did Mama call the doctor? The doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on my... No more monkeys? No more monkeys? 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor. Scratchy, scratchy. Doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, Blue 2. Chicky, you're so jealous. You're so jealous. You want all the attention.